In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate SSL on Hostinger. By the end, your website will be using a secure HTTPS connection, which helps protect your visitors' data and also makes your site look more trustworthy in browsers. We'll go through the process step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account and open your hPanel. This is the main control panel where you manage everything related to your hosting and websites. Once you're in hPanel, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't used it much before. You'll see several sections that control different parts of your hosting, but for activating SSL, we'll focus on the websites area. Next, go to the websites tab. This is where all the sites connected to your hosting plan are listed. Find the website you want to secure with SSL. Once you see it, look for the Manage button next to that specific site and click it. This will open the management page for that site where you can control settings, files, databases, and of course, security features such as SSL. On the left sidebar of this page, you'll see different categories. Here, you want to look for the security section. If you don't immediately see SSL listed, there is usually a search box, or you can scroll through the options until you find security and then click on SSL. This section is dedicated to managing your site's SSL certificates, which are what enable that secure HTTPS connection in visitors' browsers. Once you're on the SSL page, check the status for your domain. You might see it listed as active, pending, or not installed. If SSL is already active, there's nothing more you need to do here. But if the status shows as pending or not installed, you'll need to take action to finish setting it up. If you do see pending or not installed, click the Install SSL button. This tells Hostinger that you want to generate and apply an SSL certificate to your site. In most cases, Hostinger uses automated certificates, so you don't have to buy or manually upload anything. The platform will handle that part for you in the background. After clicking Install SSL, you may be asked to select the domain you want to install it on, especially if you have more than one site in your account. Carefully choose the correct domain from the list so you don't accidentally apply SSL to the wrong site. Once you've selected the right domain, click Install to confirm. At this point, Hostinger will start the installation process. It may take a few minutes for the status to change and for the certificate to fully propagate. Give it a little time, then refresh the SSL page and check the status again. When it shows as active, your SSL certificate is installed. To confirm it's working, you can open a new browser tab and type your site's address using HTTPS at the beginning. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. That means your site is now protected with SSL on Hostinger.